Model, 2006 Mercedes Sprinter 311 Cdi medium wheelbase, body, white, panel van. Mileage, 171120. Engine, 2151 CCM 2697. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. But one of the injectors is chuffing, so the copper washer will need replacing or repair and at some point, but still starts and drives perfectly. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.